This is the city. Mandalay, Myanmar. I carry a uke. My name's Joko. I'm Joe the plumber, let me explain. Well, I was addressed by Senator John McCain. You see, I'm a plumber, that's a job you know. Better yet, my name is Joe. See, the GOP, while on the attack, brought up my brother, Joe Sixpack. Joe Sixpack's got troubles, he's an alcoholic. While me, I'm dodging calls from Katie Couric. Never wanted to be part of the news. Just had a question about what to do. And now I got the Joe the Plumber Blues. 250K I'll make this year. In these times of troubles, I got nothing to fear. But now I gotta face the troubles of fame because McCain liked my name. Just wanted to keep water off your floor. Now I got reporters knocking down my door. Cause no, I got the Joe the Plumber Blues. Joe the Plumber. Joe Average, Joe Blow, and Joe Schmo. My name is a curse, don't you know? Besides, as Joe the Plumber, my business is gonna be great. I've been made famous by the debate. I'm not smooth, I'm not much of a talker. I'm just a plumber, Joe Wurzelbacher. And now I got the Joe the Plumber Blues. I got a turnaround out there. Joe the Plumber. Part of the news. Had a question about what to do. Now I got